So I'm going to make show you how to do a couple of the question on the review. We have three part right here that we're going to do. So the very first one, I will show you this question that's in number 11. Find the value of t. Always underline what you need. So right now we try to find the value of t. So draw the line. As you can see, step number 1, we always have to combine like term. If they are a place that we can clean up, we only need to do that, combine like term. So take a quick look from the left. Either anything look alike. We have negative 3t and negative 8t. They are the same term. They have number, letter, number, letter. We can combine them together. It's going to give you negative 3 and negative 8. That's a total negative 11t. We haven't done anything to this side yet, so I'm going to bring it down. So plus 6 equals 5t minus 4. At this point right here, on both sides, we both have t, and we need to get rid of one of them. Which one is easier to get rid of? We always going to get rid of the smaller t. In here, it's negative 11t and 5t. So the opposite is going to be negative 11t. Negative 11t, opposite of subtraction. We're going to do addition. So I'm going to plus 11t on this side, and I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Gotta be fair, right, ladies and gentlemen? We have to do on both sides. So now this cancel out, boom. And what we're gonna have left is 6 equal 5t plus 11t is gonna give us 16t minus 4. As you can see, your problem get more and more, well, it should say less and less variable now. So we only have 16t. Our focus right here to get t by itself, just the t. So the number that we need to get rid of here is going to be 16 and negative 4. 16 is the number with a t, we call them coefficient. It together, juntos. And then we got negative 4. If the number by itself, we call them constant. Which one is easier to get rid of first? Obviously, the one by itself. So we're going to do the opposite game again. So what's the opposite of minus 4? I'm going to plus 4 on this side and also on this side. Whatever you do on one side, you have to do on another side. Now this is going to give me 10 equal 16t. As you can see, I haven't done anything, so I will bring it down. And this cancel out again. Now at this point, we're going to get t by itself. The operation between 16 and t is e, multiplication. So opposite of multiplication, obviously division. So we divide by 16 on both sides. Wow, we are so close to having what we want. So right now, we having t by itself is cancel. So t equal 10 over 16. We're going to be so happy to say that this is the final answer. However, it is not the final answer. And then why is that not the answer? Knowing that 10 and 16, we can always simplify them. So simplify if possible. They're both even numbers, so they are divisible by 10. I mean, my bad, divisible by 2. So we go into simplify them. It's going to be 5 over 8. It's going to be your answer. Okay? Just like that. So I hope this one makes sense to you. If you already watched it this far, and I hope that you already get the question done, you should clap for yourself. A little clap. Now we're gonna move on to a few more questions. Let's see the second part of the test. We're gonna talk about solving a system of equation. If you still remember a system of equation, as you can see right here, we have one equation, right? Now it's a system, so you will have two equations. Equations 1, equation 2. Our goal is to solve for x and y. Step number 1, we have to find zero pair. In order to be a zero pair, what do they have to be? Same variable. They also have to be same side. Same number. And my bad, they have to be opposite side. So like we can take a look right here. Which one right here have a same number? None of them. The x and the y doesn't have it. So you don't have to pick. Which one do you want? Do you want the x or do you want the y? Really doesn't matter because they both have pretty much the same number right here. So I'm just going to do the x's come first. So x and negative 3x. What number does x need to be right here? They already have opposite side, positive and negative. So I just need to be a same number. So what number going to be? It's going to be a 3 right here, right? So what I'm going to do, I'll put a 3 right here. But you cannot just put a 3 for x. They will be so like, hey, what about me? And what about me? So meaning right here, you're actually going to multiply for all of them. So what you're going to do is I'm going to multiply this to all of them. So that's going to give me 3x for the first one. And then going to be 3y with a positive. I'm going to multiply this again. It's going to give me negative 24. Bingo. That's it for the first equation. I have not done anything to the second equation, so I'm just gonna rewrite them. Alright, take a moment and check. Do we have 0 pair? Yes, we do. Step 2, we go into add both equation. I'm gonna do a big add right here so you can see. I'm gonna add them up. And then we're gonna look for a 0 pair. Ooh, we saw one right here. Put a circle, so you know this is 0. Put another circle. Oh, we see it right here too. 2 of them. That's awesome right there. There's not a 0 pair, doesn't matter. But when I cancel out, cancel out. This is gonna give you a big 0, okay? Both of them, 0. So I'm gonna put a 0 right here. Boom. Negative 24 plus 12. So that's gonna give us negative 12. As you can see, 0 equal negative 12. Is this something that makes sense? Yes or no? This is a false statement. When it is false, nothing you can do. Sometimes we have to accept that in life, the thing that we can't do anything about it. So your conclusion as simple as no solution. Because we can't do anything about it, okay? And then that's it. We accept it and we let it go. We don't even think about it anymore. So let's go to the next question. We're outside right here in the courtyard and it's very beautiful, beautiful day. So I would like to try this next question right here, number 14, okay? We do the same thing. Step 1, 0 pair. You see how many times I write this? I write it over and over. The more I write it, the more I remember. So 0 pair. Which one look like a 0 pair? 14 and 7, 6, negative 6, and negative 3. None of them have the same number. None of them have opposite sides. So I'm just gonna pick with whatever. Right now we can do 14D and 7D. So they already have same variable. They just need to be same number. So 7 needs to be multiplied how much to get 14? Obviously you're gonna multiply by 2. It's gonna give me 14D. Pretty excellent. But I need to be opposite side. So not only multiply by 2, I also want to multiply by negative 2. So that's why it's going to give me negative 14D. So here I'm going to do that for the second side. So I'm move negative 2 here. And remember we have to multiply for everything. So I'm going to do this. Boom. So this one going to give me negative 14D. I'm going to multiply over here. Negative 2 times negative 3 going to give me positive 6F. And then negative 2 times 6. If you ever forget that, you do your little drawing right here. Negative 2 times positive 6. 2 times 6 is 12. However, a negative times a positive is going to give you a negative 12. So that's a negative 12. Okay, this is the first equation, second equation. I have not done anything to the first equation, so I'm just going to rewrite. So 14D minus 6F equal 12. What we're going to do right here on step 2, if you still remember, we're going to add both equation. I do a big add right here so you can see. What can it be a 0 pair right here that I can circle? Oh, I saw one. That one 0 pair. Do you see another one? Yeah. Okay. Do you see another one? Another 0 pair again. Same number, opposite side. 3 of them. That's wonderful. We have something good coming up. So 0 and 0. This is going to give you a 0. We got an equal sign, so drop it down. This also give you another 0. 0 equal to 0. It is a true statement, yes or no? This is true, correct? Whenever it's true, that means this is a fact. That means that's wonderful. That means we have many solutions right here. Many solutions, or infinitely many solutions if you would like to be fancy. Well, you are coming to this far, so that is awesome. So far, you can see 2 situations already, and I hope that it makes sense to you. So now we're gonna do one more problem, and let's give it a try. So this problem over here. What is the solution to the given system again? I have 2x minus 5y. And then this is plus 2y. Let's check. Number 1, again, 0 pair. They have to be same number. None of them are same number. They have to be opposite side. Wow, this one does look like an opposite side, so the 5y look like a good option for me because they have an opposite side. I need to be the same number though. So what do I need to multiply this one by in order for them to have the same? So 5 I can multiply by 2. It's gonna give me negative 10y. Wonderful. 2 I need to multiply by 5. It's gonna give me 10y also. So that will gonna give me a same number, same variable, opposite side. So let's do that. I'm gonna multiply on the top one where I said I'm gonna multiply by 2. So this is gonna give me 4x. You have to multiply for everything because you gotta be fair. Minus 10y equal. You're gonna multiply over here as well. 22. Boom. That's the first one. I'm gonna do the second one as well. This time we already agreed that we're gonna multiply by 5. So that's gonna be 5 times 3 gonna be 15x. 5 times 2 plus 10y. And then boom, we have 5 times 7 gonna be 35. Okay, looking awesome. Now what we're gonna do right here is divide the 0 pair. Step 2, we're gonna add a big one. Weigh the 0 pair. Boom, right here. It's cancel out whenever you add. So negative 10 plus 10 cancel out. Right here, 4 plus 9 gonna give me 19x equal 22 plus 35, big number. That's gonna give you 7, and it's gonna give you 57. At this point, as you can see, starting from 2 variable x and y, now you already eliminate. So now you only have only one variable left. That's the x, and I'm gonna divide by 19 on both sides. X divided by 57 divided by 19 will give you 3. So that's gonna be the answer for x. Now we need to find third. We already know x, and we need to find y. Right here I got negative 5y, and then I have 2y. What y is easier to do? Obviously, as you can see, what one do you think? When you look for something easy, that something should be positive. Okay, check. I got this one positive, and it looked like a smaller number is not even good. So 2 is good. So I'm gonna plug it into the second equation. 3x plus 2y equals 7. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm gonna plug it in. That's step 3. We haven't done it for the other situation because there are no solution and many solutions. So now I'm gonna plug in the x over here. Boom, where the x in. Make sure you plug into the right spot. I'm gonna rewrite everything because I have not done anything to everything else. The only thing I'm doing is plugging in x, so that's gonna give you 3. Boom. Knowing that the x is no longer appear here, right? Because we already been plugged in. So 3 times 3 gonna give me 9 plus 2y equals 7. At this point, I wanna have what by itself? I wanna have y by itself. So what number in my way? We got 9 and we got 2. We only get this is the number by itself, but it's a constant. So minus 9. Boom, boom, boom. And then we bring it down right here. We go into got 2y equal 7 minus 9. That's gonna give you negative 2. To get y by itself, I'm going to divide by 2 on both sides. And there you go. 2 divided by 2 is going to give me negative 1. Fin. So now we have an answer. We'll make sure you put it in an order. So that's going to give you what? This is 3. That's the x. And this is y is negative 1. Okay? So this question have all the steps for you to do, and I really hope that makes sense to you. I would like for you to try these 2 equations. They're a little bit easier and they're totally doable, and you can do it. Okay, just make sure that you read the question. For example, some of the question asks for the solution. Some of the question asks you to do the x plus y. All of this, you are more capable than you think you are, so you totally can do it. If you already watched up to this far and if you understand everything, that's pretty awesome already. If you don't get it, you should replay and watch it again. Okay, but now I think I should have, I will do one more question, maybe 2 more. I will do this one right here. So it's a word problem question. You're only gonna set up only. What a beautiful equation. Set it up only and don't solve. Okay, so let's set it up. Let's read them up right here. What we got? Billy restaurant, I don't care, but they got flower. Okay, here we go. They order carnation. I love this flower. They also order roses. Okay, and we love that as well. And then we got daisy. So how many variables as you can see that we have right here so far? 3 variables, right? If it's 3 variables, we're going to have 3 equations. So we got C for carnation, we have rose for R, and then we have D for daisy. Okay, how many flowers did they order? 200. This is the total, right? Right here, it's giving you an idea. This is a total. What do you do whenever find a total? You add. So I do C plus R plus D equal 200. I'm done. That's in my first equation. Now look at all this money. Money always go with money, but what money do we have right here? They order and they got this money again. A total order coming like this. So another total again. So C plus R plus D, excellent. It's gonna give you 5, 8, 9, 50. Boom. But money gotta go with money. So you have to add in the money for the carnation. How much money is that? $1.50. There you go. How much money for rose? $5.57. Are you pay attention? Are you listening? Okay, I hope you are. And then we got daisy, it's $2.60. Just so you know, math is a puzzle. If you get all the information together, you'll be okay. We're done with them, we're done with this. Okay, now the only thing we don't have left is this one. They order mostly carnation and 20 fewer rose and daisy. Oh my god, they really tried to confuse you. But who cares? Because we don't really care about carnation right here, but we only care this sentence start from here. 20 fewer rose than daisy. What does that mean? Miss Tran English is not very well, as you can see. So I'm gonna rewrite this question again, and I would like to ask you, which one do you see first, rose or daisy? We obviously see roses come first, right? So I'm gonna rewrite right here. I'm gonna play rose are 20 fewer than daisy. Sometimes we got confused because we don't know what go first. If you rewrite them, maybe it will make your life a little bit easier. So rose is gonna be R. R, that means like equal. You hear 20 fewer. What operations is fewer? Whenever you see fewer, that means subtraction. But remember, we have to subtract from 20 fewer than daisy. That means it's gonna be D minus 20. Keep in mind, not 20 minus D, not 20 minus D, okay, but D minus 20, because I am 20 fewer than daisy. So you subtract from there. Now double check, we have uno, dos, and tres. So we got 3 equations, and we are super happy because we are done. What a beautiful equation right there, right? Okay, here we go. We have an equation about total. We have an equation about total money. In with money, go with money. Dinero, 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 dinero. They are together. And we have the third equation right here. And then you're pretty good. Okay. 16 minutes already. I tried to make it short, but look like we just have one last question, and I promise I will be done. This question right here look like we don't even want to read, but we should read because it's talking about our favorite teacher, Mr. Hay. So Mr. Hay buy what? He buy chip. He also buy fruit snack, and he also buy candy bar for his student. Wow, that's so nice of him. And he spent a total of $28. Look at total again. You see, every single time we see total, we're super happy. So what kinds of right here? But they don't want you to use C, F, and C because they clearly tell you X, Y, and Z. So you have to stick with the game, all right? So here we go. So a total, so we got a total. So I'm gonna do X plus Y plus Z equal 23.80. I am gonna be so happy, but I wanna ask you, are we talking about money? Yes, we are. Money have to go with money, right? So what is the money for X, right? Either a dollar, you can put 1, it's okay. 50 cents, so you have to put 0.5 or 0.50. Sometimes you look at the answer choice, you see 0.5. The 0 after the number, you don't have to write it. And then candy bar is $1.15, but if you can put it if you want to. Okay, so we're done with this equation. Mr. Hay bought 8 fewer candy bars than twice the number of fruit snack. Oh, look at this question right here. I'm gonna highlight this question so you can see. And I would like to ask you, which one do you see first? Do you see candy or do you see fruit snack? It's candy, right? So candy go first. So Miss Tran will rewrite them because Miss Tran sometimes goes slow-mo. Candy, E, 8 fewer than twice fruit snack. Okay. So what is candy? Help me out. Necesito ayuda. So C, E equal A fewer. What operation is fewer? Subtract. Subtract then what? Toy, fruit snack. Oh I'm so sorry, it's not C. What is candy? Z, my bad. Z. See, I'm tripping. Sometimes we trip, but we just have to fix it, huh? So A fewer than toy fruit snack. What is fruit snack? What did they say for fruit snack? Y, okay? But remember, when you subtract, you have to switch. So I will start from the toy. So that's gonna be 2. Fruit snack gonna be Y. And then I'm gonna do fewer, so minus A. Okay, here we go. So that looking awesome. And then I have that one already. So this one is 2 equations. We know that we're gonna have 1 more. So what is the last one? He bought 5 more fruit snack and chip. Okay, here we go. Mr. Hay, why you keep playing with the sentence? Which one go first in here, fruit snack or chip? So the fruit snacks go first. So I'm just gonna rewrite. Oh, I don't even have room. So we'll make it happen right here. So fruit, I'm just gonna put fruit. E, 5 more than chip. Okay. Okay. So what do we have for fruit right here? Fruit going to be Y. E equal and 5 more than, what operation C more than? We add, and chip, what do we have for chip? X. Well, Miss Tran, you go all over the place. But you got the idea, you got the picture. So y equals 5 plus x. Now that you have all your 3 beautiful equations, we just have to check for the answer. Which one is the answer, okay? So we have that. Oh, it's look good. Z? Oh, no. Look at this. It cannot be a minus 2y, right? I don't even care what e. It cannot be this one. It's always going to be a variable minus something. So this one might be out of the picture. This one look good. This one is out of the pictures again, you see? Process of elimination sometimes really good. Okay, so both of them look good. So which one talking about that? We got 2y minus a. So this is the winner. This is your sweetheart right here. Okay. I really hope this makes sense to you. I hope the review makes sense. If you already watched up to this far, you should clap for yourself. You should always be the one who cheer for yourself, you know. You're gonna forget because it's been a while, and just keep watching again, and then it will be wonderful. For a moment, I really would like to show you where I'm recording this video. We're right by the courtyard, and it's very beautiful, peaceful right here. Very nice. Okay, I hope you have a good day today. Okay, take care. Bye.